Welcome to another Vitamix Blender Showdown. Today we have a detailed Vitamix A2500 versus a 3500 comparison, which has been a highly requested video. In the next few minutes, you'll know all of the key differences between the Vitamix A2500 and the Vitamix A3500, so that you can decide which one is right for you. Links to the current prices for each product are at the top of the description. Thanks to their robust 2.2 horsepower motors, both blenders can handle tough ingredients with ease, creating smooth textures in seconds. Unlike with other blenders, you'll notice they effortlessly pulverize ice, nuts, and fibrous vegetables in record time. One key difference is the A3500's programmable timer. This feature allows you to set precise blending times, giving you more control over your recipes. In terms of noise levels, the A3500 seems to run a bit quieter than the A2500, but the difference isn't really that significant. While both blenders offer exceptional power and efficiency, the A3500's slight upgrades might be worth considering if you're after the utmost precision in your blending tasks. Both the Vitamix A2500 and A3500 offer impressive blending capabilities for a wide range of ingredients. The A2500 comes with 3 preset programs, while the A3500 gives you 5 presets to work with. This means the A3500 offers a bit more versatility for specific blending tasks because it has additional built-in blending functions for dips and spreads. Both blenders have programs for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. Similarly, both blenders feature variable speed control, allowing you to fine-tune your blends. However, the A3500 adds a programmable timer, giving you more precise control over blending duration. For crushing ice, the A3500 tends to produce a slightly more snow-like consistency in my experience. This could be ideal if you're big on frozen cocktails or slushies. Ultimately, both blenders are highly versatile. The A3500 offers a few extra features that might appeal if you're a frequent blender user or enjoy experimenting with different recipes. Both the Vitamix A2500 and A3500 come with a 64-ounce low-profile container. This generous size allows you to blend large batches for family meals or entertaining. The containers are made of BPA-free Triton plastic, known for its durability and resistance to stains and odors. You'll appreciate how easy they are to clean and maintain. The low-profile design is a smart feature on both models. It means the containers are shorter and wider than traditional blender jars, making them easier to store under kitchen cabinets. The blades in both models are made of hardened stainless steel. They're built into the container, creating a vortex that pulls ingredients down for efficient blending. The Vitamix A2500 and A3500 share a sleek, modern look that'll elevate any kitchen countertop. Both models sport a low-profile 64-ounce container, perfect for fitting under most cabinets. You'll notice the A3500 has a more premium feel with its brushed stainless steel base and intuitive touchscreen design, giving it a high-tech appearance. The A2500, while still stylish, comes in a durable plastic finish and a dial and switch control system. It's also worth noting that the A3500 is slightly heavier at 14.92 pounds, while the A2500 weighs in at 11.86 pounds. In terms of size and footprint, they're identical. Both the Vitamix A2500 and A3500 come with a standard set of accessories. You'll get a low-profile 64-ounce container and a low-profile classic tamper with either model. The containers are perfect for making large batches of smoothies or soups. They're also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. A cookbook is included with both blenders, giving you plenty of recipe inspiration. It's a great starting point for exploring your new Vitamix's capabilities. You can purchase a variety of self-detect containers for both blenders, including a stainless steel container, which is great for blending hot ingredients, a food processor attachment, and a dry grains container. This self-detect functionality means the blenders recognize which container you're using and adjust the settings accordingly. To clean either blender, simply add warm water and a drop of dish soap to the container. Run it on high for about 30-60 seconds and voila, your blender is clean. The main difference is that the A3500 has a pre-programmed self-cleaning function, whereas with the A2500, you need to manually start and then stop the cleaning process yourself. The A3500 has a bother slight edge with its touchscreen interface. Wiping down the smooth surface is quicker and easier than cleaning around the A2500's physical dial and switches. Both models have dishwasher-safe containers, but hand washing is recommended to prolong their lifespan. The wide mouth design makes it easy to reach inside and scrub if needed.